Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Myself Navni Gulati from Lexus and Company. In today's video, I will be going to talk about FIR. FIR stands for First Information Report. आज की वीडियो में हम FIR से रिलेटेड वो सारी बातें करेंगे which a normal and a prudent man must know. FIR क्या होती है? How to lodge an FIR? And what are the rights of every citizen regarding FIR? So, starting off with the very first question which comes into the mind is, what is FIR? FIR is, as the name suggests, First Information Report. Whenever anybody sees a cognizable offense, he or she has a right to inform police about the same and give the report. Yes, FIR सिर्फ और सिर्फ cognizable offences के लिए ही register होती है. And what are cognizable offences? Cognizable offences are those offences in which police officer has the right to investigate without the permission of court, and where the police officer has right to make an arrest without warrant. जब भी पुलिस को कोई ऐसी FIR मिलती है which is of FIR is obviously of cognizable offense, जब भी पुलिस को कोई cognizable offense की रिपोर्ट मिलती है तो पुलिस has the right कि वो बिना वारंट के उस इंसान को अरेस्ट कर सकता है और इन्वेस्टिगेशन स्टार्ट कर सकता है विदाउट एनी डिले एंड परमिशन ऑफ द कोर्ट. तो इन्फॉर्मेंट का काम होता है एक क्रिमिनल कंप्लेंट लॉन्च करना एज अ FIR, एंड पुलिस का काम होता है टू स्टार्ट हिज ड्यूटी एंड टू ऑब्टेन इंफॉर्मेशन, फर्दर इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द क्राइम. इट्स नॉट ऑलवेज नेसेसरी कि आप कोई ऑफेंस देखो तो आपने वो पूरा क्राइम सीन देखा हो, देन ओनली you can lodge an FIR. If you know the full details of the crime, it is not necessary to know the full details. If you know something has happened and if you have the information about it, you can go to your nearest police station and tell the police about the same, which would be first information report. It does not require minute details of the story of the crime, anything. FIR can be registered orally and it can as well as be registered in writing. अगर आप FIR orally पुलिस ऑफिसर को बताते हैं किसी भी चीज़ की information, then it is the duty of police officer to note down that and take down that in writing. And third thing, the police officer will require you to sign the information he has noted down. And fourth thing, the police officer will give you the copy of the information he has recorded as FIR. It is mandatory for a police officer to register your FIR. No police officer has an option to reduce the information, to refuse to the information given by you and lodge FIR. This is the very basic of FIR. How can you lodge an FIR? The next question arises, हम FIR फाइल कर कैसे सकते हैं? मैं कल सड़क पर जा रहा था, मैंने देखा किसी इंसान ने किसी का मर्डर कर दिया. What should I do now? और वो वहाँ से भाग गया. I just saw the happening of murder, but I don't know what to do. So you don't know any story behind it, you don't know any planning behind it, you don't know any motive behind it, you don't know the person, but you can go to your nearest police station where the crime has happened and you can inform the police, as I stated, orally or in writing about that offense, and the information will be noted down by the police officer and it will be signed by you, and a copy of information would be given to you. अब क्या होता है, कहीं बार a lot of people say कि हम लोग पुलिस के पास जाते हैं अपनी information लेके, but the police officer refuses to lodge my FIR and refuses to take down my information. Then in such cases, you may send a copy of your information in writing by post to concerned SP, and then your complaint will be registered as an FIR. On receival of the information by SP, it is his duty. Either he will investigate into the matter further or he will direct somebody else to investigate in your matter. So coming to the conclusion, you will not be denied to give your information. हम बात करें क्रिमिनल प्रोसीजर कोड की तो सेक्शन 154(1) मैंडेट करता है पुलिस ऑफिसर को टू लॉज एन FIR कोई भी कॉग्निजेबल ऑफेंस से रिलेटेड एंड टू गिव यू अ कॉपी ऑफ दैट इंफॉर्मेशन, टू गिव द पर्सन हु हैज लॉज्ड FIR कॉपी ऑफ द इंफॉर्मेशन लॉज्ड इन द FIR. अगर आप 154(1) में अपनी FIR लॉन्च नहीं कर पा रहे, यू हैव एग्जॉस्टेड योर राइट ऑफ 154(1), देन यू कैन go to 154(3). Criminal Procedure Code section 154 clause 3 states that you can send your information to the superintendent of police in writing, and then the concerned superintendent of police will take the action. Police superintendent, on receiving your information through the mail, will take an action. अब कई लोग कहते हैं हमने तो मेल भी कर दिया था, हमने तो इंफॉर्मेशन भी भेज दी थी, बट देन ऑल्सो कोई एक्शन नहीं लिया गया. योर राइट हैज स्टिल नॉट बीन एग्जॉस्टेड हेयर, इट इज नॉट फिनिश्ड. You have further right under section 156(3) of Criminal Procedure Code to state your information directly to magistrate in power. You can go to magistrate and you can state the information which would be lodged as FIR. Agar if you are not able to use all the provisions I stated earlier, अगर आपने ये तीनों ही provisions नहीं कर पाए हो exhaust, तो आपके पास एक option और है in the criminal procedure code. हमारा code बहुत ही liberal है to lodge information and to help the victims to get justice. You can lodge an FIR under section 200. That is not known as FIR, but ये भी एक तरीके की FIR ही होती है. Under section 200 of CRPC, you can lodge a private complaint to the magistrate. That would be regarded as a complaint case. Section 200 में आप private complaint कर सकते हो magistrate को जाकर, and it would be regarded as a complaint case. हमें अपने राइट्स के बारे में जानना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, बिकॉज समटाइम्स पीपल इन पावर may refuse to answer you and may refuse to answer your questions. Therefore, every individual must know about his or her rights and must know how to fight for them. सबसे पहले हम सेक्शन 154(1) की पावर को इस्तेमाल करेंगे. इफ इट इज नॉट एक्सेसिबल, 154(3) सुपरिटेंडेंट ऑफ पुलिस वहां भी नहीं होता, देन सेक्शन 156(3) टू द मैजिस्ट्रेट इन पावर. अगर वहां भी नहीं होता तो सेक्शन 200 इज अ लास्ट रिजॉर्ट, विच इज अ प्राइवेट कंप्लेंट. हमारे सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने FIR के बारे में बहुत बार बोला है दैट इट इज इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट इट इज नॉट ओनली द थिंग ऑन विच द केस विल रेस्ट. FIR लास्ट तक यूज होती है, बट इट शुड नॉट कंटेन द माइन्यूट डिटेल्स. इट इज नॉट नेसेसरी टू कंटेन माइन्यूट डिटेल्स. इट इज ऑब्वियसली अ बेसिस ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन जिसमें सारे फैक्ट्स डिस्क्लोज ना हो तो भी चलेगा. कोई भी इंसान FIR लॉन्च कर सकता है, जिसने क्राइम देखा है, जिसने क्राइम सहा है, रिलेटिव्स, एनीबडी कैन लॉन्च एन FIR. You are entitled to mention a broad story. I'm saying again, that is, you are not entitled to know whole story. नहीं भी पता तो भी आप FIR फाइल कर सकते हैं. Now what happens when the FIR is filed? जब FIR फाइल हो जाती है उसके बाद क्या होता है? To know this, you have to tune into this channel, because in the next video we will be talking about what happens when once a FIR is lodged, and what are your rights after your FIR is lodged. Thank you for tuning into this video. Do watch and tune into our channel for further information and further knowledge about FIR and the future rights related to FIR. Thank you.